Welcome back to the Rose Cooking Show, everyone. Today Rose is making... Wow, that sounds delicious. You're doing a good job cutting. Yeah. Just what you needed. Hello, everyone. Rose did not want to say hi over there. You don't want to? My hair looks a little crazy because I just took it out of its pin curls. You have a nice morning so far, Rose? It's only like 9 o'clock and we've already, what did we do? We had breakfast, we watched an episode of Clifford, we played with the Play-Doh, and then Rose and I just had a dance party, which is actually some really good cardio. Did you have fun dancing? Since I know Rose is your guys' biggest influencer, right now her favorite song is Come and Get Your Love. What's going on? What did you hear? No. Right now her favorite song is Come and Get Your Love. So if you wanted to listen to Rose's playlist, pretty much just put that one on repeat. And now I'm about to do some yoga, so you guys will get to see how doing yoga with Rose is. You get an extra ounce of patience practicing it with her. So let's see that. That was a little anticlimactic. Yesterday she was like all around me while I was trying to do stuff, and it was really funny. Do you want to go outside? Yeah. Should we go explore outside? It's actually not raining right now. It's not raining, so we can go outside. Okay. You want to get your shoes on? You need your jacket too? Okay. What do you see? Here, splash in the puddle. So we played outside and her dress didn't survive puddle jumping, right? And then we came in and had lunch and her shirt didn't survive lunch, so we'll have to go change that. Was lunch yummy? Do you want to just get down? Rose. You don't want to talk to the camera? Okay. Show us your jungle gym. Can you show us how you can climb up here really fast? Let me see. Ready, set, go. Wow. Now you gotta slide down. Oh, is it messy? Good job. Yay, Rose. All messy. Did you hear that? It's okay. Mom will clean it later. See, it's night time. You can't crawl away from night time. Yeah. It's night time. Can you say night-night? Good job. We're gonna go, Rose is gonna go take a nap, and then we'll be right back. Putting on some deodorant? What? Show us your pretty dress. Wow. You look gorgeous. And I know Mama's wearing a pretty dress too, huh? Rose is up from her nap now, and we're both dressed for the day, although Rose chose to wear her princess dress, so we'll see how long that lasts. Oh, thank you. Thank you for putting deodorant on for me. We are upstairs because Rose didn't want to come. Nope, no more. All done. Rose didn't want to go downstairs, so we're just playing upstairs for the time being. We keep the closet door in our bedroom shut, and to keep Rose out of it. And I just walked. And I just walked in here, and Rose was yelling about something, and I was like, "What is it?" She came and showed me that the closet door had been left open, which I think I had done it from grabbing my clothes. And I was like, oh, "Rose, who left this closet door open?" And she said, "Daddy." And we're like, "Oh, Daddy." And we closed the door, and I just like that she threw her dad under the bus with zero evidence, so that was funny. I also like that she narks on herself. That's funny. It was Daddy that did it? Daddy? Yeah. Is that what you're yelling about? Yeah, he's in his office. Anthony's working from home today. Okay, another outfit change, but we're playing pom-poms in water. Isn't that so fun? I got this idea online and it looks awesome. Just pouring them back and forth and stuff. Yeah, you can pretend to cook them. Can you stir it? I want to see. It's okay, just put them back. What happened? Did you spill some? It's okay. There's a very precise series of transfers going on. Yes. I'm very interested in it. What happens next? Oh, just by hand. Interesting. I guess we'll be needing another outfit. Hey, you're all wet. It's later now. It's about 4 o'clock. Yep. And, oh my God, my hair looks like a triangle. It's like significantly deflated because I've been outside and then cleaning up around here. I got really sweaty. Rose is on another outfit. You look cute? Yeah. Now we're just chilling, huh? You had a lot of fun with those pom-poms, didn't you? Those were good. That was a good idea. She spent like an hour playing with them. And then we came inside and had a snack. And now that I've just got everything cleaned up, it'll be time to make dinner soon. How was dinner, Rosie? Ooh, what'd you find? Let me see. An eye? Can you say eye? Okay, aggressive. Yep, eye. Good job. Don't put it in your eye. Got some food on your shirt, huh? You're just plowing through the outfits today. We just got finished eating dinner. Anthony's, of course, home. You know, he's been home all day. He doesn't want to be on camera. You look like you're mad at me. Make sure I don't think you were fighting. We're not fighting, I promise. He's just being ornery. How do you guys think that Rose fit through this gap to get up here? Did you just squish? Yeah? You're not supposed to play with that. Rose and I are reading a big stack of books now, aren't we, Rose? Yeah. And then we are going to get ready for BED. So we're going to end it here. Bye, guys.